Good afternoon. My name is John Elliott, owner of Jackson Roofing and Gutters, right here in the heart of the triangle of North Carolina. We are a third generation, 44-year roofing and gutter business. I wanted to touch on a conversation I just had with a client on the phone. We replaced their roof years ago and they had someone else before that do their gutters, and I told them, I see what kind of guard you have. You're probably going to have a gutter guard issue, related issue. Well, guess what? Now they got leaks because of it. So just wanted to reveal to you our product that we use. Very simple design. It is called the Raindrop Gutter Guard. Now, we have used every guard on the market, every single one. And this is the only guard, save one other I'll mention in a minute, that I've never, ever experienced an issue with. We've been using it now for almost 6 years. Two main differences. This part slides up underneath the shingle so it matches the angle of your roof. And while some other guards like that have to be on top of the starter strip, this guard does not. This guard can slide right up underneath the starter. It won't cause any problems because water cannot wick back on top of this graded design. It just can't. So it matches the angle of the roof. No debris gets caught on top. And while no guard is maintenance free, like they would advertise, this on a steep roof is pretty much maintenance free. Like some of my clients have reported, they never have to blow their gutters off anymore. If you have a shallow pitched roof, debris will sit on top of gutter guards just as well as it will the roof. You got to make sure your shallow pitched roof is blown off. But two splash guards at the bottom of a valley, even a steep roof, we don't even put those on anymore. Water dumps into this guard. The polarity of water forces it to hug surfaces. As soon as it touches this graded design, it just forces itself inside the gutter. One of my two, what I consider to be miracle products. That's a Raindrop Gutter Guard. Now, the other guard I mentioned, those helmeted designs that come down and curve around, I don't like those, but there's one that there's perforations all the way across the top, which, another conversation, I can tell you why that's important. Those work well, but you have to lift shingles, screw them in up behind shingles. It's so complicated to install. You slide this baby right up underneath the starter strip, screw them in at the bottom on top of the gutter, you're done. Piece of cake. These are also 3 times cheaper. I mean, please, if you're having trouble with your guards, either order some of these, have somebody put them on, or you can get your truth about your roof and gutters from John Elliott with Jackson Roofing and Gutters, because we've been doing this since 1982.